Are you ready to slay some kids' makeup? I'm going to be doing a full face of kids' makeup for the kids' makeup. Kids' makeup is so like advanced and upgraded from when I was a kid. I don't even remember playing with actual kids makeup. I would go into my mom's makeup, but so my camera decided to die on me, so I just color corrected with this peachy and purple shade. Wow, it says do not apply on lips. Okay, so I can apply it around my eyes, just not my lips. I'm just blending this out with the beauty blender that was in that palette. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of my Maybelline Fit Me. It's another layer on there. I've never used a small beauty blender, so it's taking way too long to blend this out. Since this color corrector did a decent job, I'm not gonna use concealer because there's not a concealer in this palette. Powder, I think that's so cute. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade. Okay, so they have a gray shade. I don't know whose eyebrows are gray, but they have that. And then this beige shade, which I guess is supposed to be blonde. And then they have a brown and a black. So I'm gonna go in with the brown and the black. This palette has this cute little brush. Wow, that's really pigmented. I'm just doing small strokes. Wow. It's a little darker than I wanted, but that's okay. My brows are naturally this thick, so I just feel like they made them darker. Definitely didn't make my brows look better. If anything, it just made them look darker, so I don't like that. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the brow shaping gel. I thought this was nail polish at first. It really doesn't have a strong scent. Just gonna put that on to hold the brows in place. Next, I'm gonna go into this palette. This palette's actually really pretty, and I'm gonna use these three colors. I like how they're all vibrant and pretty. I'm gonna go in with this mermaid brush, so cute. So I'm gonna go in with that darker orange color and put this all in my crease. Once you start to blend out the color, it just disappears. Yeah, it's not there. It's non-existent. We're gonna make it work. Just pack the color on more and more and more. Okay, I'm gonna go with that same brush, but the other side, and I'm gonna take that dark green. Wow, it's not picking up on the brush at all. There's like no color payoff. Okay, I'm really disappointed. I thought these colors were gonna be a lot more pigmented than they actually were. This is not okay. Like there's no, and I'm digging into the palette. I don't know if it's the brush or the palette. I'm gonna continue with this brush because it's the one that came in the palette, but it looks like there's hardly anything in my eyes. Probably because there isn't. I'm gonna go into this green shade. Maybe it'll be better. Let's see. Definitely not better, and it just got all over my face. Definitely not better though. I'm just gonna go into the other eye. Eyeshadow all over my face. Like the fallout is terrible. The color payoff is non-existent. It's just not working for me. Let me go in with my beauty sponge. My beauty sponge will clean up where that shadow is. So I put lashes on. Now we're going to contour. I'm gonna use this brown shade. It's really shimmery, so I don't know how it's gonna come on. Let's see. No, non-existent. I'm gonna go into the brow powder little palette here, and I'm gonna take that brown shade and see what that does. It definitely is. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have like this streak on my face. I'm not liking that. Take the other brush and just blend them out, because that is looking, this is just looking like a hot mess. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and go over that contour so it doesn't look harsh. I don't even know if you can call that a contour, but I'm gonna go over it so it doesn't look as harsh. Now I'm gonna go into this blush palette, and I'm gonna take this, open it. Okay, it doesn't want to open. Here we go. If I can't open this, how is a 5-year-old going to? Oh, the blush is pretty. And pigmented. Really pigmented. Okay, I like the blush. The blush has like this sheen to it, so blush, thumbs up in my book. Now I wanted to use these stickers. I'll just add a few around. Do some stars. Oh, that looks pretty. Let's do a seashell. Ooh, I like that. I like how they're like holography. Really pretty. Next we're gonna do highlighter, even though that blush put a really pretty highlight on. Purple. Ooh, they're all pretty. The purple, the yellow, and the green. Ooh. Okay. Next I have all of these really cute flavor lip glosses. I'm gonna go in with, ooh, vanilla and raspberry. Let's do vanilla first. Okay, well, that just gushed out. This whole video is just a disaster, but I'm gonna go in with the vanilla. It smells like vanilla cupcakes. I'm gonna go in with the raspberry. Hopefully it doesn't squirt on me. Okay, good. Okay, and this is the final look. Eyeshadow was a no for me. The blush I liked. The contour, no, they didn't have my shade in the contour. The glosses, I love the glosses, really nice. But this is the final look. Brows are looking darker than normal, but overall I do like the look. The process was definitely terrible. There's gloss all over the floor, but that's okay because I do like the final look. I think it looks pretty and girly, of course. But if you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what kind of videos you guys would like to see next, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you're notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. I do upload daily, so be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you want to see this face every single day. Bye.